the greatest technology advances of our era is medicine. It has saved an endless number of health problems and saved many lives. As we have said many times, science is one of the biggest parts of technology because it is constantly creating new ideas and progressing so the human daily life can be easier and modern. However, we can make a specific focus of science with chemistry. The relationship between medicine and chemistry is made because all the compounds and mixtures that are made have a specific reaction. In the human body, chemistry can make its purpose by creating the adequate substances that can have a good effect on the human body and battle diseases.
My topic is about chemistry's application in food. I think chemistry is at the center of food production, its safety, its packaging, and everything, its quality and its safety. I think that the main goal of it is to be able to create and produce enough food to fulfill the whole population and also make it healthier. Another thing that chemistry does in food is that it fights pests with new fertilizers. Yeah. About is chemistry in warfare. This is honestly a quite extensive topic. I'm just gonna say that the first apparition of chemistry in war was in World War I when they used fluorine gas. After this, people started using gas masks, so gases weren't that effective. After it, they created another gas which could be absorbed through the skin. Even if they had gas masks, it will affect them.
Society has been progressing since the beginning of times, where science and technology go hand in hand to create a number of ways in which society can develop adequately. Some of these ways more commonly seen are the use of fuel in transportation or the big manufacturing in industries. However, as anything made without regulation, we've come to a point where mankind activity has caused dangerous damage to our planet, the biggest proof being global warming. Chemistry takes place in this phenomena because it explains the gases that cause it. These gases are called greenhouse gases, which come from different emission sources, which are methane, CO2, and water vapor. They come from animal manure or industry activity or simple transportation gases, which is why the extensive use of them has come to a point in which it is nocive to our planet, which is why we must look for solutions.
Well, there are three possible solutions to the melting of ice caps problems. For example, the first one is the decrease of single-use plastics. A recent study revealed that more than 7 million tons of plastic waste runs into our oceans each year, which can cover the entire coastline in the world. To solve this problem, we should stop or at least decrease the amount of single-use plastics we use in our daily lives. The second possible solution is the use of renewable sources of energy. Energy sources such as solar and wind have been around for a couple of years, and it's time for us to start using them. Different studies have shown that they can meet our needs. Besides, they can be installed quickly and are increasingly cost-effective. The third and last solution is to stop deforestation. Deforestation contributes about 10% of the world's heat-trapping emissions. That is why it is vital for us to stop deforestation and that way lower massively global warming emissions. This requires the help of consumers to demand the business to become deforestation-free a priority.